What if I told you that goat stew doesn't need to be heavy or tomato dominant to be deeply flavorful? Today we are making a white wine braised goat stew that's elegant, restrained, and incredibly layered. This is comfort food with polish. Hi, I'm Magali, and this is the Flavorful, where we honor African flavors while pushing them forward. If you love traditional dishes but want to cook with refined technique, you are in the right kitchen. Across West and Central Africa, goat stew is deeply rooted in celebration and comfort. It's often bold, richly spiced, and tomato forward. But today, we are taking a different approach. We are keeping the soul, the aromatic, the slow cook, the depth, but introducing white wine and oven braising for balance and structure. It isn't about making it less African. It's about showing how versatile African technique truly is. Now heat oil in a heavy Dutch oven, brown the meat deeply on all sides, and don't rush these steps. Color equals flavors. Those caramelized edges are the foundation of the stew. Once browned, remove and set aside. Lower the heat to medium. Add thinly sliced onion and cook slowly, about 8 to 10 minutes. You want them soft, lightly caramelized, and slightly sweet. Add garlic and freshly grated ginger. Cook just until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Now, the kitchen should smell warm and layered. Now we elevate. Pour in dry white wine. Scrape the bottom of the pan to release those brown bits. Let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes until reduced by about half. Now add tomato paste and cook until it darkens about 2 minutes. And you stir once in a while. Then add a small amount of crushed tomatoes. Notice we are not flooding the stew with tomatoes. It supports the flavor, but it doesn't dominate it. Return the goat to the pot. Add the stock and make sure you stir everything very well. And then you're gonna add your bay leaf, thyme, white or black pepper. You can add some celery, and you bring everything to a gentle simmer. Cover tightly to transfer it to your oven. For goat, braise about 75 to 90 minutes. You want it tender but still holding its shape. Oven braising cooks the stew evenly from all sides. It keeps the liquid calm. Once the meat is tender, remove from the oven. You can add some coriander, discard the bay leaf for serving, and I usually add a touch of lime juice on top of my plate just to add some freshness to it. Let it rest for about 10 minutes before serving. The stew deepens as it sits. Serve with plain rice, couscous, boiled yam, or crusty bread. Savory, balanced, and gentle. The kind of dish that tastes better the longer you sit with. Okay, so now let's taste it. I put it over some rice. So good. The meat is delicious. The flavor, oh guys, I know that people might think by adding white wine it makes it less tradition. But technique doesn't erase heritage, it refines it. It's delicious, incredibly. The depth of flavor, I would totally, oh my goodness, recommend this recipe. Very, very, very good. The ginger, I love it. If you love elevated African recipes like this, subscribe to the Flavorful and tell me in the comment, should we refine another classic?